Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Nisa Syahru Ramadani.
My name is Rina Wulandari.
We are from Vocational High School, Mojosongo, Boyolali, Central Jawa.
We will present our research, the quality of organic furnace from tobacco waste extract as a protection for wood from termite attack.
As we know that the people of Boyolali, especially in mountains and rural areas, the majority of their houses are still made of wood and prone to termite attacks. If not controlled, this termite can cause the wood to become porous and damaged, so it will be very dangerous for its inhabitants. According to scenario 1997, varnish is one of the materials used for wood finishing. The finishing aims to protect the wood from chemicals, weather, fungi, and insects. Besides aiming to protect, finishing also make the product look better and more beautiful. Most finishing materials on the market contain hazardous chemicals such as formaldehyde, heavy metals, and other chemicals which can cause poisoning, allergies, throat and respiratory disease, and cause cancer or carcinogenic that can harm human health. According to data 2020, Boyolali Regency is known as a large tobacco leaf producing area in Central Java. In one harvest, on average, the farmers get 20 quintals of the tobacco leaves. Then, after coping and drying, it's obtained about 2,000 kilograms of dry crop tobacco. While what can be accepted by the cigarette industry is around 1,875 kilograms, and the remaining 125 kilograms is unused waste. Currently, tobacco waste has not been utilized optimally, although some people have used it as an organic pesticide. These organic pesticides are used to control insects. Just like we can see on the screen, it's the tobacco waste. The tobacco waste is found from Sidomulyo, Nagrong, Ladaksari, Boyolali. It's the waste of slicing tobacco. There are previous research. According to Wulandari 2013, organic pesticides from tobacco plants are proven to be able to control pests because of their high nicotine content. The parts that are often used are the leaves and stems. Dry tobacco leaves contain 2 until 8% nicotine. According to Hadi Kusumo et al. 2002, tobacco extract is effective in preventing the attack of the drywood termite Cryptotermes cynocephalus like on coconut wood with the soaking method. Therefore, we innovate to utilize tobacco waste extract as an ingredient for making organic varnish that function to overcome termite attacks on wood. The formulation of the problem are: first, how does the nicotine content in tobacco waste organic varnish? Second, how is the quality of tobacco waste organic varnish in overcoming termite attack? And third, how is the need of tobacco waste organic varnish for wood finishing when compared to commercial varnish? In this research, we use 2 methods. The first is manufacture of organic varnish from tobacco waste extract, and the second is testing the quality of the varnish in overcoming termite attacks on wood. Research type in August until October 2020. Then, research placed at the Industrial Chemistry Laboratory of Vocational High School, Mojosongo, Boyolali, Central Java. After that, we do research procedure. In this research, we need tools are beaker, measuring cup, watch glass, scaler, glass stirrer, plastic bottle, glass funnel, and materials are tobacco waste, shellac, ochre, methylate spirits, and 70% ethanol. Then, the composition of making organic varnish can be seen on the screen. In this making organic varnish, we make 3 treatments are P1, P2, and P3. For a treatment, the material have the same composition, except the tobacco waste extract. For P1, it's only 20 ml, P2 is 40 ml, and P3 is 60 ml. Then the process of making organic varnish are: the first is maceration of tobacco waste, second soaking shellac in ethanol, and third mixing saline solution and tobacco extract. On the nicotine test, we use Muhtadi and Sugiono 1989 method. Procedure can be seen on the screen. We need 1 gram of each sample with 20% natrium hydroxide and 20 milli petroleum ether and get the clear solution. Repeat it 3 times. According to SNI 7207 in 2014, procedure of anti-termite testing are: the first, apply organic varnish to wood for 6 times, then install heat glass tube on top of the wood. Insert 50 healthy and active drywood termites into the tube and cover it with gauze. Then observe everyone in 24 hours. Repeat each treatment and the control in 3 times. Then calculate the number of living termites from the dead termite data. As we can see on the screen, the test applied to 5 treatments. According to SNI 7207 in 2014, the degree of attack would damage we can see on the screen. With level A, B, C, G, and E, the value is 0, 40, 70, 90, and 100. Then the requirements of varnish are: first, apply the varnish on wood 5 cm times 2.5 cm times 2.5 cm for 6 times. Then wait until the woods are dry and then calculate difference in mass of wood before and after varnishing.
From the result, we get the result that from nicotine level test indicate the varnish with additional 60 ml of tobacco extract P3 has higher nicotine content than P1 and P2. As we can see on the screen, the result shows that the P3 treatment has the smallest weight loss compared to the P1, P2, and control treatment. This shows that the wood that is given P3 varnish is at least eaten by termites. From the data on the screen, we can see that the lowest degree of damage is on P3 treatment. It means the termites do not bite the wood because high composition of tobacco waste extract. From the percentage of termite survival due to varnish treatment, the highest termite survival rate is 2% in C negative control negative treatment without vernishing, and the lowest is 0% in P3 treatment organic varnish with 60 ml tobacco waste extract in 42 hours treatment. In applying a varnish, the use of organic varnish from tobacco waste extract is more efficient than the commercial varnish. People are advised to use organic waste because they need less so that it can reduce expenses. From the whole research, the organic varnish in P3 treatment has the largest nicotine content, which is 0.17%. Tobacco waste extract is proven to be able to overcome drywood termite attack. The organic varnish for wood finishing can reduce finishing costs because it needs less than the commercial varnish, so the organic varnish is valuable. Future work based on the result of this study. It is recommended for the research. First, a similar study be carried out for testing this tobacco waste varnish on other types of wood. Second, it is also necessary to increase the concentration of tobacco waste extract. Third, it is recommended for making the color of the varnish more varied. This is all of presentation. We hope it can be useful for people.
Thanks for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.